السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Good morning guys. Welcome to our lesson today. We will study expansion unit 1 to 3. Lesson 1 language review page 48 and 49. Exercise A. Write a response to each questions. Include the word in parentheses and either to or enough. Here is an example. Why are you getting rid of this rug? Warm. We say it's too warm. Okay. To comes before the adjectives. Okay. Do you remember? We say that to come before the adjective. But enough comes after the adjectives. Okay. Number 1. Yes, Yusuf?
Why can't we make a cake before the guests arrive? Parenthesis time. I will say why we don't have enough time.
Enough time, yeah. We don't have enough time. There isn't enough time. Here we use enough before the noun, okay? So to comes before the adjectives and enough come before the noun or after the adjective. Okay, number 2. Yes, Muhammad?
Why are you turning on more lights? Dark. It's too dark.
Too dark. Very good, Muhammad. Thank you. Number 3. Yes, Naif?
صاد حل ثلاثة يا أستاذ.
No, thank you, Muhammad. Just one. Yes, Naif?
Why don't you like driving with him? He drives too dangerous.
Too dangerously. Yes, he drives too dangerously. Thank you, Naif. Number 4. Yes, Sultan?
Why don't you like the landscape? It doesn't have enough trees.
Enough trees, yeah. Thank you, Sultan. And number 5. Yes.
Why isn't he running in the marathon this weekend? Because he is too lazy.
Yeah, very good. Thank you. Thank you, yeah. Number 6. Okay, Salim.
Number 6. Why don't you like small rooms? They make me feel too claustrophobic.
Yeah, okay, thank you, Salim. They make me feel too claustrophobic. Number 7, yes, Rakan. He speaks too quickly. Okay, Rakan. Okay, number 8, yes, Basil.
Why aren't you going to the game tonight? Because I'm too tired.
I'm too tired, yes. And the last one, why don't you like this couch? Comfortable, because it isn't comfortable enough. Comfortable enough. Enough after the adjective, or as we said before the noun, like this. Okay. Exercise B. Form sentences by combining items from boxes A and B. Okay. For example, losing your keys. This one, losing your keys is irritating. So losing is irritating with this one. Okay. Who can make the first one? Yes, Yusuf?
Yes. Number 1.
Yes.
Fill out form. I will match it by boring. The sentence will be filling out form is boring.
Yeah, very good, Yusuf. Thank you. Fill out form is boring. Yeah. And next one. Yes, Salim.
Number 2.
Leader.
It will be a rice sponge spill. A rice sponge spill.
Irresponsible. Okay. Thank you, Salim. Next one. Read about scientific discoveries. Yes, Sultan.
Fascinating.
Yeah, fascinating. Very good, thank you. Thank you, Sultan. Sit in a sauna.
Sit and sauna is relaxing. Much with relaxing.
Yeah,
Sitting
relaxing.
in a
Very good.
sauna is relaxing.
Yeah, very good. Thank you, Muhammad. And skydive is Salim.
Skydive, it will be exciting.
Exciting.
The second one.
Yeah.
Exciting.
Very good, Salim. Thank you. Touch your ear with your tongue. Yes, Yusuf?
Touching your ear with your tongue is impossible.
Impossible, of course. And last one, witness a crime is frightening. Yes. Okay. Use these words to make them once. Okay. Fill out form boring. We say filling out form is boring. Leader irresponsible. We say leadering is irresponsible. Lose your key is irritating. Losing your key is irritating. Read about scientific discoveries. Fascinating. Reading about scientific discoveries is fascinating. Skydive exciting. Sit in a sauna relaxing. Sitting in a sauna is relaxing. Skydive or skydive exciting. Skydiving is exciting. Touch your ear with your tongue impossible. Touching. And witness a crime witnessing. Take care here and pay attention. We start with the verb with ing, which is called a gerund. Okay, we start with gerund here as a subject. Okay, if you put the verb or to the verb ing, it becomes subject. Exercise C. Write sentences using 2 or 3 adjectives to describe the following things. For example, your school. If you describe your school, you say it has expensive new computer labs. Do you remember we talked about adjectives in the previous units, and we say that there is order for the adjectives. Okay, adjectives go in a certain order. We start with opinion, size and shape, age, color, nationality, and the materials come at the end. Okay, this is the order that is determined by category, by this category. Okay, try to use this order to describe these things. For example, your room, you can say it's a beautiful small square room. Use just 3 or 2 adjectives. Beautiful, small, square. We start with beautiful. Okay, your thing here, opinion. Small and square, the shape. Okay, what about this book? Yes, Yusuf?
It is big. It is big with a very nice, important idea or information.
Okay, thank you, Yusuf. We can also say it's an interesting English book. Number 3, your favorite piece of clothing. Yes, Salim? Okay, we can say it's comfortable new blue jeans. A place to visit, we can say it's a famous old place. If we talk about the food, we can describe the Egyptian food saying it's delicious Egyptian food. The last car you rode in, it's an expensive new car. Exercise D. Use the words to write superlative plus present perfect questions. Then ask and answer the questions with a partner. Example, interesting class, take. What is the most interesting class you have ever taken? Another one answer, Earth science is the most interesting class I've ever taken. Beautiful place and visit. Who can make this? Okay, Yusuf, you will ask and Salim will answer. Start, Yusuf.
What is the most beautiful place you have ever visited?
The beautiful place I have visited, it is Mecca and Medina.
Yeah, okay, very good. Thank you, Salim, and thank you, Yusuf. What is the most beautiful place you have ever visited? And Salim said Mecca and Medina. Okay, exciting city visit. Yes, Muhammad, what is the question here?
Question here is what the most exciting city you have ever visited?
Yeah, what is the most exciting? And the tall building C. Yes, Salim?
It's Dubai. The most exciting city is Dubai.
Okay, can you tell, write or say the question first? What is?
Okay. Number 4. Number 3.
three.
Okay. Okay. What's the tallest building you have ever been?
You have ever seen. Okay?
You have ever
See,
been.
so
Seen.
The past participle of see is seen, yes.
Seen.
You have ever seen. Okay. Thank you, Salim. Number 4. Yes, Sultan.
The best book you ever read.
Okay, take care. The superlative of the adjective good is the best. Okay, Sultan?
Okay.
So, what is the best book you have ever read? Thank you, Sultan. Yes, Rakan?
What's the best food, spiced food you have ever eaten?
Yes, what is the spiciest food you have ever eaten? Number 6. Hard thing do? Yes, Yusuf?
What is the hardest thing you have ever done?
The hardest. Okay?
Yes.
What is the hardest? Yes, and next one, Muhammad?
Who
Famous
is the
person.
most famous
The most
person you have
famous. Excellent, Muhammad.
Most.
The most famous. Very good. Here we use the most. Okay, thank you, Muhammad. And number 8 is Salim.
What's the scariest film you have ever watched?
Watch it, yes. What is the scariest? Okay, number 9. Okay, Naif.
What's the farthest you have ever traveled?
Travel, yes. What is the farthest place you have ever traveled to? And last one. Yes, Ian.
What's the most thoughtful present you've ever received?
Yeah, very good. Thank you. Yeah, the most thoughtful because this adjective is more than one syllable. يعني أكتر من مقطع ما بنحطلهاش EST نستخدم معاها the most. Okay, very good. Thank you guys. Exercise E. Rewrite each sentence as the comparative. هنستخدم هنا the. Example. He has been getting more exercise. He has been feeling better. The more exercise he gets, the better he feels. Number 1. Yes, Muhammad?
She has been studying anthropology.
Yeah?
She is becoming fascinated with it.
Yeah.
With it. The more she studies anthropology, the more fascinated she becomes with it.
Okay, very good, Muhammad. Thank you. The more she studies anthropology, the more fascinated she becomes with it. Number 2. Yes, Rakan?
We're getting closer to summer. I am getting excited. The closer we get to summer,
Yeah.
the more excited I get.
Excellent. The closer we get to summer, the more excited I get. Number 3. Yes, Salim.
Number 3, when a joke really funny, people laugh really hard. The funner the joke, the harder people laugh.
Yeah. The funnier the joke, the harder people laugh. And number 4. Yes, Naif.
I keep sitting on this couch. I'm getting more and more tired. The longer I sit on this couch, the more tired I get.
Very good, Naif, thank you. The longer I sit on this couch, the more tired I get. Number 5. Okay, Iyad.
Yeah. Usually when I pair shoes is cheap, they fall apart quickly.
Yeah.
The most cheap pair of shoes fail quickly.
The cheaper
The cheaper the shoes, the more quickly they
fall apart. Okay, thank you, Iyad. And the last one, Yusuf.
Small rooms make me feel claustrophobic. The smaller the room, the more claustrophobic I feel.
Very good. The smaller the rooms, the more claustrophobic I feel. Thank you, guys. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and see you next lesson. Inshallah. Goodbye.